This is Hicksfield. Now, it may look a little bit intimidating at the beginning, but it's really just a repository for a lot of different tools that can do image generation, video generation, even audio. It extends a lot, and they have their hands in a lot of different spheres, but it really is a powerful marketing tool, right? So today, I think that we could, to start pushing this business that we just created, I'm very passionate about fried chicken, guys. I love fried chicken. In the comments, you all could tell me what your favorite fried chicken chain is. To me, it's always going to be KFC. Some people might like Popeyes, Wendy's. I don't know. For me, Church's chicken, nah. KFC it will always be the GOAT, right? So in here, we're just going to navigate to video, and we're just going to simply create a video here, guys. That's all we're clicking. Now, we need to take inspiration from something, and I don't fancy myself a very creative guy, so what I would do is go to the University of YouTube. So I found this ad here that was 15 seconds, right? And I said, let me look at this ad.
The new KFC Marla chicken in.
Very, very simple, guys. So we saw that. What I needed to do from here, I said, I really like this ad. This made a lot of sense. So all I want to do to create my video now, a completely original video for chicken, is I'm just going to click share, copy this link, and then I'm going to go all the way over here to Gemini. Now, this is my LLM of choice. I know Kerwin does ChatGPT. He does Claude very often. I love the multimodality of Gemini. So I decided to use this. So I pasted my link in here that I just copied. And I said to it, use this link, watch the video, give me a prompt that I can use for Hicksfield to recreate the video for my brand chicken. And guys, it spit out a beautiful prompt for me here that I just copied wholesale, just like that. And unfortunately, I'm a simpleton. I don't have whisper flow like Kerwin, right? And I just pasted my prompt right here. So if we go back to Hicksfield and we see create a video, all we're doing is pasting our prompt in. Now, what we want to do is create a character or somebody that is the star of this commercial. So we need to give it a reference image. So what I did here, again, in the chat, is I took a screenshot of the guy and I said, change the appearance of this man, make him an African-American. And guys, look at that. It spit out an image really, really quickly. And I just took this image and I input it right here. So I just said, let me upload this image. I can click and I can drag this right here. And I have, as soon as it comes up, and all I need to do here is choose the length of my video, the aspect ratio of my video, and the quality that I want to output this video at, to generate a video at. So what I did, and it's as simple as that, guys, all I'm doing is clicking generate. So within here, I would have done it before with the magic of preparation. And these are some of the responses that I got, guys. Look at this.
One bomb.
Yeah. So I got a few responses. I got a few generations, and look at what it came up to in the end, guys. I'll play the sound. It's okay if I play the sound here, but I want you all to see this.
Just right. Chicken. Chicken, crispy, delicious. Chicken. One thing is in your engine.
Wow.
Caribbean flavor. Did you
Drop some ones in that chat. Wow.
guys, you could pay someone anywhere from $1,500 US to $10,000 to create an ad like this with a one-person crew. And if you wanted to get celebrity endorsements to do your commercial, you're maybe going all the way up to 50,000 US. It's crazy. And we did this. We generated a low quality image, a video right now for demonstration purposes, but we did that for the price of a subscription. Imagine that. And you have your brand here, and you have your music, and we already cooking. We have a website, we have our video now. So Owen, what else do you think we might need?
Well, I think you can't have a restaurant and a food company without having a good jingle. Yeah, I think
Yeah.
I think you need to have a good jingle. How many of y'all agree with that, right? Now, so just Brandon, just think about the journey we've just been on.
Sure.
You know, we've been able to do research with Notebook LM. We've been able to take Lovable and create our own chicken website, create our own SaaS. We use Claude Design. And now you've just done something so amazing with Higgsfield, where you've created an ad. And we actually have in club. Remember everything we're talking about today. Let me share for a second there, Brandon. I'm going to share for
Sure.
a second, and,
Yeah, you
and
go
you're
ahead.
going to come back on. Let me just share for a second, guys. Everything we're talking about and sharing with you. Can you see my screen? Yeah. Can you see my screen? Can you just confirm? Okay, beautiful.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. So everything we're talking about, guys. So Brandon has a session in club. It's called, what is that session called, Brandon? He has a session in club. It's called, where do
Straight
you
down.
have it, Brandon?
Go
Should I go
down.
straight down?
Yeah.
It's somewhere in club. Okay. No, it's actually a mastermind. So it's not just, it's a mastermind, which means he's going to go into this thing in depth. Masterminds in club are challenges, masterminds where everyone in club has to build their own video ad. And here what a mastermind is, build a Super Bowl level ad that people pay 100,000 US, how to build that yourself.